Imagine creating all these unique cards without designing them manually, in just seconds. First, head over to ChatGPT. Ask it to give you a table of 50 unique, warm messages. I put the exact prompt in the description below. Once ChatGPT gives you the table, just copy the entire thing. Now, go to Canva. In the search bar, type Christmas card. You'll see a bunch of designs. Pick the one you like and click Customize this template. Here is a small step. Add a text box and type Write Message here. Adjust the font and size so it fits perfectly. You can easily change the font to whatever you like. I'm choosing Fredoka because it has a nice, handwritten vibe. Now, go to the left menu, click on Apps, and search for Bulk Create. Select the first option and click Enter Data manually. A table will pop up. Hit Clear Table, paste your data from ChatGPT, and click Done. Almost finished. Right-click on your text placeholder, go to Connect Data, and choose your message column. Then, click Continue on the left. You can easily select and deselect messages you want. I select all and hit that Create 50 Designs button. Boom! Look at that. Each message is on a separate page. You can easily move them around or change colors. Hours of work, finished in seconds. That's how you use this Canva feature to save time. I upload new AI tutorials to help you grow, so hit the like and subscribe buttons right now so you don't miss out. And this is the final work. Subscribe for more videos.